I was editing this video and I almost forgot to film my intro and outro, and I was this close to taking this makeup look off. Hey guys, it's Kaylee. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to know how to look poppin' on Valentine's Day, then I showed you guys how to recreate this look right here. It's just a pinky plum eye with a nice pink nude lip and a shiny bright face. If you have no one to wear this look for on Valentine's Day, who cares? You're gonna look good for yourself, and you're gonna look good while you're laying in your bed watching Netflix or doing whatever you do. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so I'm starting with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just using this as a primer all over my eyes for the eyeshadows, and I blended it out with the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Then I took the All Natural palette from Wet n Wild and the 101 BH Cosmetics Fluffy Eyeshadow Brush. This is my favorite eyeshadow brush of all frickin' time. And I dipped it into this nude color, and I'm just using this as a transition shade. If you don't know, a transition shade is where you dip back into the color just to blend out all the eyeshadows during the process. And then I took this plum color and this Wet n Wild flat shader brush, and I'm just putting this color into my crease. I didn't go too precise with it just because I wanted it to be a bit more smoky, and so yeah. I also took the same color and I put it on my inner corner just for a halo effect, and then I went back in with the transition shade to blend it out. Then I took this black and the Stella 12 angled eyeshadow brush, and I used this black in my outer corner just to depthen up the whole eye look. And then blending again because it's super crucial with a harsh look like this. And then I took my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer again and this flat eyeshadow brush from Real Techniques. And what I did was just put the brush on the wand, and I eventually did a cut crease. It's my first time ever doing this, but it was a lot easier than I thought, and it's super satisfying. Alright, going back in and blending, and then I took this brush, just a flat eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild, and I took the same All Natural palette and dipped into the two shimmery pink shadows. And I use this for my eyelid color just to brighten up the look a bit and add some shimmer. And then obviously blending once more. And then I went in with this Glamour Profusion eyeshadow palette. It's freaking huge, but it's so awesome. And I took these three colors again on this dome brush just to brighten up the look once more. And then I used my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner, and I just used the brush that came with it, and I created a wing, obviously, on my eyelid. I was actually dancing to the SVU theme song. It was just so awesome. And then I went in with this black eyeliner pencil and I tightlined with it, and I also put it on my waterline. And then I took these two shades right here just to buff and smudge underneath my eye, just to add a bit more dimension obviously, and then took these two colors and I highlighted the inner corner and my brow bone with it. Now for the eyelashes, I first just curled them, and then I went in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's my favorite mascara of all time. I just did 2 coats of that on my top and my bottom lashes. And then last for the eyes, I'm just blending them out a bit more, and then this is the final look of them. Moving on to my face, I started with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer, and I took this Wet n Wild Kabuki topped brush, and I first just put the product on the brush, and then I splotched it over my face, and then buffed it into my skin. And then I took my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I put it on my beauty blender, and obviously it pours out super fast, so be careful with that. And I did the same with the primer. I just put it all over my face and then eventually buffed it out. Going back in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, I just applied a bit under my eyes, and then I just concealed whatever else I wanted to conceal, and then I blended it out with the same beauty sponge. Moving on to powder, I took the Airspun Loose Face Powder and I put some of it in the cap and took my beauty blender, and then I just baked under my eyes and my laugh lines and my forehead, just wherever would crease throughout the day. And then I took my Rimmel London Stay Matte loose, or not loose, but it's pressed face powder, and I wiped away all the bakage and I just powdered the rest of my face. Now for bronzer, I took my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula and this another kabuki topped brush, and I did some bronzing, also a bit of contouring. I did to my cheeks and my nose, my forehead, and my jawline. I used this Smashbox blush, and I went in with this 110 BH Cosmetics brush, and I just applied some color to my cheeks. Then I took this BH Cosmetics brush, and I blended it out all the face makeup I had on. And I wanted this look to be extremely glowy, so I took my e.l.f. Illuminating palette, and I took the 3 lightest shades in the palette, and I went in with this tapered Real Techniques brush, and I went ham on that. I put it all over my cheeks, my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead. Now for my lips, I first moisturized them with my favorite thing ever, my Carmex, and then I used this e.l.f. lipstick. I don't even know the freaking name of it because that's out of focus, and I don't really care. So I applied it to my lips, and yeah. I eventually realized that it wasn't really the right shade and it didn't really match my eyes, so I went in with this Tarte liquid lipstick, and I applied it to my lips, and it dulled the lips down a little bit, so it matched my eyes a lot better. And that was the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below any other video suggestions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button wherever it is and the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post my videos. All of my links to all my social medias will be in the description box down below, so check them out if you want to follow me on anything. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!